Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see just like YouTube how you can link your Instagram to vidIQ account and maximize on it. Also, do check out the YouTube launch playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description, right? So I already done a video on how you can use vidIQ for different features for your YouTube channel. Now, since May 2026, vidIQ has also rolled in how you can connect and play with your Instagram account. So when you go to vidIQ, first thing is create an account. I have linked my referral link in the video description. You can sign up on vidIQ. My suggestion is if you are looking to grow your YouTube channel, Instagram, do buy the pro subscription. This gives you access to a lot of tools, a lot of features on vidIQ basis which it can improve your productivity if not anything else, right? I use it for creating thumbnails, for ideas, for sometimes for script writing as well, and to optimize sometimes because this is directly integrated. So once you go to the homepage of vidIQ, you can see over here you can find connect Instagram, right? When you click on it, you can search even basis your username. So I am just going to give my username and it will search for profiles. You can see it has picked up. I'm just connecting on click. So now you can see it has linked my Instagram account to my existing vidIQ Pro. So this is my vidIQ Pro subscription. So you can see, you can analyze, you can retention and script rate, including trial reels you can use for viral ideas. You can audit your reel, you can look for outlier videos, you can use vidIQ tool to write a hook or how you can get more views. These are all the things which you can do currently using vidIQ. More features will roll out, but this is currently how you can link and use it. So even on, you can see on my Instagram page, vidIQ gives like the overview, like this reel has given two times views as compared to my other reels, right? So this is the way you can link your Instagram account, and I will prepare more videos on how you can use different features of vidIQ for your Instagram account. If you're, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.